it's Debbie here. Welcome back to my Crafty Den. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on this video and deciding to watch. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your continued support. So today I have just picked up, it was curbside pickup at the Home Hardware, and I have the shelves for my craft room. So my husband's going to put them together for me, carry them upstairs, and then I am going to organize one wall on my in my craft room. So yeah, really excited. Okay, so this is where I'm at. The hubby put together the first shelf, and you can't even tell there's 3 shelves on that because that mess that's on the floor behind this is what I have to deal with and put away. So yeah, this is a horrible, horrible, horrible mess. I will come back when this mess is off the floor and it's all on these shelves. Hopefully I can figure out what I'm doing with everything and I can get all of this put away. So, wish me luck. Okay, so thanks to my good, wonderful, tremendously amazing husband, I have all of these shelves put together. So this wall that these are all on is a half wall because this is a story and a half, so we have a sloped roof. So I got the shelves so that I had plenty of room on top of them to add extra boxes. So what I've done, and this is what I've got sorted out today. Like unpacked, sorted, put into bins, and done today. So let me flip you around and show you what I still have to do. So I've been working on this whole side of the room and it's a mess. So what I've been doing basically is going through bin by bin by bin and sorting things so that I only have one type of an item in a bin. Because when I packed, like I literally threw everything off my shelves into whatever size bins and boxes that I had, and I just shoved them in my car until my car was full, and I had every inch of space in there full. The cat couldn't even go into the back seat of my car. She had to ride in the front. So yeah, this is what I still have. So this is my vlog. This is my vlog, yeah. So this is my video for VEDA Day 24. So if there's anybody that still hasn't figured out what that is, it is a challenge that you take on your own. There's a few people do it and a lot of people don't. So, but I decided this month that I was going to do it, and it stands for VEDA, Video Every Day in April. So let's go so far from side to side. So I have some Lazy Susans there. I have all of my yarns and twines and the yarns, like the actual knitting yarns and strings and embroidery threads and string and stuff like that is in that bin. And then in this blue bin, I have labeled bling because it has sequins and all the bling that you get from the dollar store, those little stickers that look like dimensional metal pieces, all of that stuff is in there. That box right there is a gift from Robin, and it still has some of the stuff in it that she gave me. Then I have a tin that says ephemera, and it is my Tim Holtz die cuts, you know, the paper dolls and things like that. In the basket on the floor below this one, I have all kinds of wooden pieces. I have dowels, little dowels, stakes, the little blocks, the imitation Jenga style blocks, that stuff is down there. Plus all the little laser cut wooden pieces, the shapes, animals, and Christmas decorations and things like that. So I have a bunch of those in there. The big tray that's on the floor is all specific different types of paper, like my watercolor paper, my tracing paper, you know, things like that, some of my vellums and things like that. Then I have those are 3 cases that hold the 12 by 12 paper packs. On the next shelf up, I have some regular printer paper, just copy paper, graph paper, things like that, in the little pink tray, and in the little brown tray, it is all of my, I'll go in there and show you all that yummy goodiness. That's all traveler's notebooks and things that go with them. So then the next one on the bottom, I have a basket that has got envelopes, plastic envelopes, and they to hold rubber stamps, like, you know, the clear rubber stamps, and some ephemera and different things in there. Then I have my little basket that has some little notepads of Tim Holtz words. Then I have some of the little, those are the Dollarama bins that hold quite a bit. They're the ones with the 3 circles on the top. And in one I have all my inks, and in the other one I have some ephemera, my homemade ephemera bits and pieces. And in the other one it's all tape. So then going in the bins across the top, so I have 4 of these big bins that will fit all the way across the top. So that one will have all burlap stuff in it. Burlap sheets, ribbons, twines, nautical rope, stuff like that. This one, when it's full, will have all the paper napkins. I'll have that whole bin full of napkins. The one that is going here will be full of ribbons and things like that. And then this one is going to be full of, I'm not even sure yet. I've got so much stuff left here to unpack that it's ridiculous. So I'm just hoping that I have enough room to put all of this stuff away. So all I have besides that, and this is the wall that my desk is going to go on. So I want to put my desk, there's a bump out right here. So I want to put my desk right here, of course, because there's an outlet. So I want to put my desk here, and it's one of those, the wall goes down like this. But I want to get a decent sized desk to go here. So a decent sized desk to go here, and then above it, I want to put some pegboard. I couldn't think of the name of it, but I want to put some pegboard. And then I'm going to do an organized wall of pegboard behind my desk. And then this black one right here will go over on this wall, and I think there's a room for it to go beside the window. So that will be everything. And then under the window I want to keep clear because that's where my heater is. And then, and I've said before, this is an old farmhouse, so the ceiling starts to slope back down above the closet. So the closet is where I am going to put bins like this, totes, and I'm going to stack a tote in there for each of the holidays, for paper crafting and DIYs and what have you for each of the holidays. And that way when I pick up stuff, I can put it in the tote and keep it for that specific holiday. And this little wall that bumps out where the door is right beside the closet, I've already stuck push pins in there, and I have a whole bunch of stuff hanging. So that's it. That's my little video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit different, not a paper crafting, not a DIY. I don't generally vlog. I'm going to go back over this way so that you can see these nice shelves again. And these are nice shelves. They are really sturdy, and they're amazing, absolutely amazing. So they took no tools to put together, and I got them from Home Hardware because I could order them online. They delivered to Home Hardware, and I could do curbside pickup. So that's the only way I could get shelves. So I think I got the right size. I've only got about 12, 14 inches maybe between the top of these bins and where the ceiling starts to slope up. So I'll have made use of almost all of this. I can always put, I haven't even gone through these and sorted them yet. This is called sticker sticker disaster. So yeah, that's how I've been keeping my stickers. Let me know if you like this type of stuff. I've had people ask me if I'll do a home tour and things like that, and I'm kind of not into that, but I may be more so into it in this little house because it's kind of a unique, small, it's a really old-fashioned, small farmhouse style home with tiny little bedrooms and a nice little eat-in kitchen and a living room, and it's got a bath and a half. And yeah, so as I get each room set up, of course you're going to see this room again because as I get it done, I'm going to share. Yeah, so I just thought I'd share with you what I'm doing today. So this is what I did today. One wall. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.